So this is a display case for, or a display base really, for a car. It's supposed to show a car room or a show car room, and it's a 1/24 scale, almost diorama by Squadron products. I've never really used anything from them before, and it says here the base is not painted. You need to paint it yourself, and the car is not included. It comes in this cardboard box about that thick, and let's have a look and see what we've got. Most of it is, well, it's made out of resin. A couple things to look at here. Really not a whole lot else in here. It's fairly simple, but let's have a look. So this is the base, and it's got this rough surface texture here, and I guess it's supposed to be like carpets, and then this is pretty smooth. That's the other side. Not that you'll ever see it. You definitely have a lot of bubbles there, but like I said, you'll never see that. This is the carpet side. Here we have some resin parts here. You have to cut off those undersides, but these are nicely molded. Some nice detail there, and you put the hook on there for the chain, and it comes with this chain. So you won't need to paint this unless you particularly want to. You could paint it black, I guess, but I was probably going to leave it this color anyway. And then you can just line these up and make it look like a car showroom. And you've got looks like 3 for each side, and then you wrap your chain around there. You put your car there, and that's little display base. It's kind of cool.